Hi everybody, Dugraz here, Dugraz Reports. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what a rip trip is. A rip trip is a specific kind of trip where you use your points or miles to pay for three specific things. What are those three specific things, you ask? Well, RIP is an acrostic where each letter stands for something different. I could just explain it to you, or I could do a little rap to help you understand. R stands for rental. That's a car to get you where you want to go. I stands for inn, like a hotel. You gotta sleep, bro. P is for plane. Pick an airline. Pick a good one, yo. So that's a rip trip, and now you know, so you're good to go. So that's what a rip trip is. If you use your points and miles to pay for your rental car, your hotel or inn, and your plane travel, you've covered most of your expenses. There might be a few incidentals like meals or sightseeing activities, but I felt like the goal in most trips, if you're hacking points and miles, is to get those three things for free: your rental, your inn, and your plane. And that's a rip trip. Please subscribe and you might see some videos where I describe a rip trip that I've taken. Thanks.